Hello everyone, I'll be demonstrating how to change the prompt name of the terminal in Ubuntu. One of the ways is to use the following command: export ps1 equal to, and you have to type whatever the prompt name you wish to use. So I'll be using changed with a dollar, and once you're happy, just hit enter. So as you can see, the prompt name has changed over here. But the problem with this is that when you close the terminal and when you open the terminal again, you can see that the changes made by you no longer exist and it goes back to the older prompt name. So that would temporarily change the prompt name. What we want is to permanently change the prompt name. So in order to do that, we can use the following command: sudo gedit, which is the editor, and it will ask for the sudo password. Enter your sudo password, and now here go to line number 60, and now here in the PS1 just have to remove this portion and replace it with whatever you want your prompt name to be. So once you're happy with the name, just save it, and now close. Let's close the terminal also. Now when we open the terminal again, you can see that the prompt name has changed. This is how you can change the prompt name of the terminal permanently in Ubuntu. Thank you so much for watching.